Hello guys, so my name is Rafi Yakub right here, and this is a very quick tutorial on how you can update your YouTube partner program AdSense account and for you to continue to earn money from your content on YouTube, whether from YouTube AdSense account or from Super Thanks or from YouTube membership and the like. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can update your YouTube partner program. This is very much important for everyone that already monetize their YouTube channel. So let's begin. First thing first, you have to go to your studio right here. You have to click on your studio. So if you have something like this on your YouTube studio, there is no panic about it. This is just a new update on YouTube that allow every YouTuber that monetize their channel to continue making more money on YouTube from YouTube Short, from YouTube AdSense, from YouTube Super Thanks, from YouTube membership, stuff like that. So this is just a very good news to earn more money from YouTube partner program. So all you have to do is to make sure you just come right here where you see review and accept. Just click on the review and accept. So once you click on that, it's open in a new page whereby you will need to review the new contract and accept it. All right, so it's going to open up this window where you need to just review and accept everything. So we are uploading YouTube partner program terms. To stay in the YouTube partner program, you need to review and accept the update terms by July 2023. Sorry. So what this simply means is that you have to do all these things before the deadline, July 10, 2023, if you still want to continue making more money from YouTube AdSense or YouTube Short or YouTube Super Thanks. So the first step to take is to click on review. So these are just the review message that you need to read. So YouTube partner program terms, so you can read all through from the beginning to the end. So you just have to make sure you scroll down, and so once you scroll down, you have to come here and then click on I accept base terms. So once you accept base terms, you have to come here and make sure you click on accept. So immediately you accept that, you are going to see it right here that you have completed the stage 1. So the second stage here, you have to come back here again and click on review. So it opened up this way, and then you just have to scroll down just like the same way you did in the first one, and you come here, click on I accept the watch page terms. Then you have to click on accept right here. So finally, you have to come here now and click on submit. So once you submit, it takes you right here whereby they will ask you that you can now turn on YouTube short feed monetization to earn from YouTube AdSense and premium starting from February 2023. You can decide to do it later or go to turn it on. So I'm going to click on go turn on. So that is, you can start earn revenue from your YouTube short in addition into your YouTube watch page, YouTube membership, YouTube Super Thanks. So you can see it right here. So now it has been added successfully. YouTube short feed had membership, Super Thanks, and shopping and watch page has. So these are the various ways by which you guys can use to make more money on YouTube, starting from any moment you are able to turn this thing up. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. If you would like to join my YouTube Academy on WhatsApp, you can follow the link in the description of this video to get started. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.